So today is a quick video, 11623. This is a second generation Volt. You can kind of see what it looks like. So to take this out, it's just like every other Japanese car. It's just held on by clips, like 9 of them. Once you get all this other smaller stuff out, you pull from the bottom and then put your knee down here and lift up the panel and it'll come out straight out. And then you just have this thing where you pull back to get this out. I guess you have to use an existing. You have to use existing. It looks like you have to use existing. You bought this for how much?
$90. This is
new?
Yeah, this is brand new.
Do you see any holes?
I don't see any holes.
So usually if you buy used stuff, that they tend to leave you. Sometimes it's either a glue with a bracket, a plastic clip, and then down here there's some metal where you can put a 10 millimeter through. So usually like, then basically you would have to get like epoxy and transfer the other one. Oh, but look here, there's a hole here.
Oh, okay.
So we got to see what the other side look like. Sometimes you're in luck. Sometimes that other side is completely glued.
Okay.
And so it's really impossible to take that and transfer over here. You have to get. So we'll see if we can find it.
Okay, so should I leave it here?
Yeah, we have to find the broken piece down here.